Welcome to Family Med. This is your family medical home that will help you be informed and give you tools that make appropriate decisions for your family in achieving and maintaining health. This is a channel where we focus on bringing health into your home. I'm Dr. Eric Richardson, a board-certified family practice physician from the great state of Idaho. Now you may be asking, why on earth would a doctor be putting his face out there on YouTube? Well, I'm actually asking myself that right at the moment. I guess the main reason is that over the years, I've been increasingly disillusioned with the lack of easy, accessible information that is out there on the web for my patients. There's great information out there, but it's difficult to find and to know what to trust. I have a great wife and 5 wonderful kids, so I know what it's like to have those late nights where you're scared or frustrated that your kid is sick, or you have a loved one who's going through a difficult health scare. I have the benefit of having gone through medical school and learned what to do, or at least know where to look for answers, but most of you don't have that. It seems that there is a plethora of voices out there that seem to get in the way of what is good and reasonable for those who are just trying to do their best for their families. I'm constantly getting asked about different issues or problems or things that are found on Facebook, YouTube, or other sites. Unfortunately, many of these come from questionable sources with questionable motives and outright wrong information. So, as an antidote to this, I hope to create a site for my patients and anybody else who would be interested that would be a source of information that tries to cut through some of the noise and give practical, evidence-based information so that you can make a good decision for your family and feel informed and comfortable that you're on the right track. I'm hoping that you will find the videos that I produce to be informative, educational, and maybe even a little entertaining. But most importantly, I hope that it may bring some value to your life. So what can you expect from this content I'm going to share? Well, first, we're going to be sharing practical, mainstream information that you can discuss with your own doctor. We'll address a wide variety of common illnesses that you deal with and ways to best get around the healthcare system. We'll give you information on what things to look for that may help you decide to be seen in the ER, or more importantly, when it may be appropriate to stay home. I hope to give you tools that you can use to avoid unnecessary expense in your medical care. Now, what not to expect from this channel? Well, we're not going to be pushing fad, unproven, or speculative medical treatments. I'll talk about them, but we'll be letting you know what evidence is out there for these things so you can make a good decision for yourself. As well, I'm not trying to be a substitute for your own doctor. In fact, I'm going to encourage you over and over to make sure you discuss whatever information I present with your own doctor to make sure it applies to you. The content that I'm presenting is for your information only and isn't meant to diagnose or give specific advice for your specific condition. So if you feel that this kind of content is something that is going to be helpful in your life, or if you're looking for a source of information that is going to be similar to what your own doctor would give you, I'd encourage you, subscribe to this channel, like each video, and even hit that notification button so you can know when more content is being released. I'll try to get out something as often as I can and keep it relevant to your life. Let me be a resource in bringing health into your home. So until next time, this is Family Med with Dr. Eric Richardson. And remember, so please take care of your body because it's the only one you have.